Welcome to our comprehensive guide on allowing followers to see which spaces you're listening to on X, Twitter. Let's dive into the steps. To begin, open the X app on your Android device. Once you're in, tap on your profile picture at the top left corner of the screen. This will guide you to the next step. Next, select Setting and Support to access the Settings menu. From there, tap on Settings and Privacy to further customize your preferences. Now, navigate to Privacy and Safety, and tap on it to explore additional settings. Look for Spaces, and tap on it to proceed. Within the Spaces section, you'll find the option to turn on Let Followers See Which Space You're Listening to. Simply toggle the switch to allow your followers to see the spaces you're tuned into. By following these steps, you can enhance your Twitter experience by sharing the spaces you're listening to with your followers. Stay connected and engaged with your audience by letting them know which spaces you're actively participating in.